From 25 meters to 63 meters, TrueMax offers you a wide range of truck-mounted boom pumps. High-quality materials, precise design, excellent workmanship, reliable after-sales service. All TrueMax do is to make you satisfied. The components of the hydraulic system are imported from Germany, Italy, America, etc. The main pump is from Rexroth. The boom pump is from Have. The valves are from Rexroth and NEM. TrueMax truck-mounted boom pumps have successfully pumped different kinds of concrete in a variety of conditions around the world. For more details, please visit www.truemax.cn.